Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PHIL token. Now I saw the PHIL token trending earlier today in the DEX Screener top 10 in the Ethereum section, and then just now I saw this the PHIL token just got a huge central exchange listing starting today, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is still trending. Right now it is trending number 2 on DEX Screener in the Ethereum section. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this token. At PHIL Token ETH. It says, I am Phil. I am born of Genesis. I am here to help. Then it has a link to their webpage, philtoken.com. They just joined Twitter in August 2024, so brand new Twitter, 24 posts, 16,000 followers. So it was just announced that this token just got listed today, which is August 30th. The PHIL token got listed today at 13 hours UTC time, which just passed a few hours ago. So this token is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PHIL, and then simply just buy the token. So it says, PHIL token is a community-driven meme coin focused on trust and collaboration, created by an experienced developer. The PHIL token aims to bring more transparency and secure partnerships in the meme coin space. The goal is to unite the top 50 meme coins and build a stronger, more connected crypto community. Now you can find this token on Etherscan, ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Name of the token is PHIL, and that is also the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. Max total supply is 1 billion tokens. They have 10,092 holders, and they've had 20,512 transactions. Now it also says here on their Twitter that they are followed by Gate, which is another really big central exchange, so they're probably getting that listing too as well. Yeah, it looks like they also got listed on Gate, so there's another way to get it. Maybe if Mexc Global is not available in your country. Also Bitget, they have a Bitget announcement here. Bingx, so this token is being listed all over the place here on all sorts of really big central exchanges. And then if you wanted to get this token off a decentralized exchange, you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with ETH. You could fund it from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links down there available to use in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, you would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for the PHIL token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, philtoken.com. On their webpage, philtoken.com, you can find the Twitter, Telegram, contract address, DEX tools, or DEX screener chart, email, all sorts of links on here as well. And it says you can put in different commands, and it's going to give you different like you can put in start. It's kind of like using DOS. It's pretty funny. So you go to the bottom of the page, and you could put in start, tokenomics, fetch, all sorts of things. So let's see if we put in start here, if it actually works. So yeah, I don't know what happened there. Nothing really happened. Maybe I need a different browser. Let's try that again. Start. Okay. Maybe I have to put quotations. I don't know. This is not working here. Anyways, doesn't matter. I got the information somewhere else anyways. So, yeah, I don't know why this doesn't work here. It says, first there was Phil, only to be awoken when when needed the most. For those who are 410s, it's time to come back. I will know who you are. Whatever that means. All right, so on here, they have a chart on Dex Screener here, and it says this token has a market cap of $67.4 million. Huge project. That is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $5.1 million in liquidity in Uniswap. And according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. Token price right now is 6.7 cents US per token. Trending number 2 on in the Ethereum section on Dex Screener right now, right behind the BRA token, which I did a video on earlier today. And that token actually just got listed on Mexc Global today as well. So 2 big, huge Ethereum projects, meme coins being listed today on Mexc Global. So check out the BRA video as well. And then eBull, that's another one. I did a video a couple days ago on that one. That one's trending number 3 right now. And I think the full name of that token is Ethereum is Good. But yeah, very big project. This project, the Phil token, has a 24-hour trading volume today of $5.6 million. So huge project. And this token pair was just created on Uniswap 2 days, 10 hours ago. So brand new project. They have a token sniffer score of 100 out of 100. Now they have a quick intel security audit that has no warnings on it whatsoever. Their Gold Plus security audit says there's no buy and sell tax. So if you do get this off a decentralized exchange, you won't have to worry about slippage. There's one warning for some reason on Gold Plus security. It says there's whitelisting, but then Quick Intel security says there's no whitelisting. So it's hard to say which one's accurate. But either way, this is a community-driven meme coin focused on transparency, trust, and collaboration to build a more secure and impactful crypto ecosystem. Go check out this project. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token just got listed today. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.